Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today I am here with a special guest again, Muskan Bansal, who is going to join Ford School of Management for 2027 batch PGDM. Correct, Muskan? So,
Actually, it's PGDM IB
all right, PGDM.
International.
Yeah, fine. So it's PGDM ultimately, right?
Yes.
All right. So today what we would like to talk about, we would like to talk about the journey, how an MBS aspirant's journey looked like. Where did this thought come to join for MBA or to go for MBA? Because she is a BCom graduate, so I'll try to break down her journey and try to understand her point of view. And also, it will be helpful for you viewers, those who are aspiring to get into college and those who are aspiring how to prepare for it, how to prepare for GDPI and what not of a similar kind. So this video is going to be really, really helpful. So first of all, thank you so much, Muskan Bansal, to
Thank you.
have this nod to come for this interview. I'm so much excited to break down your journey, which will definitely help my viewers for sure. So,
Thank you so much, Aditya. First of all, it's truly be an honor to be a part of this here and share my story with you all and your viewers. And like you were continuing, so please continue.
yeah, and I'm sure the viewers will also enjoy. Viewers will obviously get some value out of it. So,
I
first of all, first of all, to all my viewers, I want you to introduce yourself. Talk us through your journey. Where did you graduate, and when did you think actually to prepare for MBA, and what was the rationale to go for this journey? Over to you, Muskan.
Okay. Well, MBA was never the part of my plan. Actually, I was pursuing CA, and along with that, I was managing my graduation. I have studied BCom honors from Delhi University, and when I was actually pursuing CA, like I didn't feel me. There was something that was not aligning with my interest, and that's when happened. Like I thought I should pursue MBA. Actually, I was thinking about various other options. मेरा भाई जो था, like I need to take action. आपको ये होता है ना, आप एल्डर हो तो आप यंगर वंस के लिए डिसीजन लो, बेस्ट लो.
Yeah, yeah,
So that is this happened to
yeah,
MBA, and I decided about pursuing it last year itself. So last year I was an MBA aspirant, and this year I'm an MBA student,
yeah, yeah.
and I think that will sum it up.
All right. So, where did you start your preparation? You and what are the exams that you have actually wrote, right? The different exams that we do have in India currently. First is CAT, of course, the top priority for everyone. Then XAT is there, and some other exams are there as well. So, what exams that you wrote?
Actually, I started my preparation in Jan 2024. Yes,
Mhm.
definitely CAT was the main priority, but CAT I could not make it. Then I gave NMAT, SNAP,
Yeah.
and ZAT. So this is through ZAT I got converted the call, and now I'm admitted in the force program. And talking about my preparation, like it wasn't smooth. Like
Yeah.
there were phases, highs and lows, and most important, the advice I would like to give no future MBA aspirants, like if you are pursuing and if you are giving mocks, आपको ये लगता है ना कि डर लगता है नहीं यार स्कोर नहीं आ रहा शायद मैं
Hmm.
नहीं कर पाऊँ, तो
Hmm.
in that case you have to not give up. Like
Yeah.
initially I gave my mocks, I
Yeah.
had around 90 percentile, but then they started falling, and I thought nahi yaar cat nahi hoga. I got nervous, and
Hmm.
then again, like we have no like हम सोचते हैं ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन कोचिंग ले ले या यूट्यूब रिसोर्सेज ले ले, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स वी गेट कंफ्यूज.
Yeah. Yeah.
नो
Overwhelming हो जाता है वो बहुत.
कॉस्ट, जो
Hmm.
अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट होती है ना, हम जो कहते हैं कॉमर्स टर्म से, वो हो जाता है. तो
Yeah.
ऐसे में ना, लाइक क्लियर विजन हो एंड लाइक यू आर टेकिंग एन इनिशिएटिव, आई
Yeah.
थिंक यू विल बी द बेस्ट पर्सन टू गाइड देम अबाउट दिस. सो आप ऐसा को लाइक थोड़े बहुत रिसोर्सेस लो, फर्स्ट
Hmm.
ऑफ ऑल फॉलो दैट,
Yeah.
एंड
Yeah.
व्हेन यू आर क्लियर नो, देन लाइक आई थिंक you will have better clarity. And talking about then journey, like box I told, आप ये सोचते हो like कैसे बत एक सेकेंड
हाँ हाँ, आराम से आराम से आराम से।
मोक्ष सो यस लाइक आई टू कोचिंग आई वाज नेवर प्रैक्टिसिंग आपको ये होता है ना लाइक स्कूल डेज में कि नहीं यार मैथ्स है हो जाएगा या 11th 12th तक अगर मैथ्स किसी के पास है आई हैड कॉमर्स विद मैथ सो आई
हम्म
थॉट नहीं आई विल बी एबल टू मैनेज इट
हम्म
and same goes with engineer students also like they have that mindset and यही पे मेन दिक्कत होती है like you feel over confident
या
so
या
that was the main point and इस वक्त पे like VARC you can manage and talking about quant and LRDI like that was my weak point so you need to focus on that so I think अलग अलग strategies बनाओ see your
या
weakness see your strengths and then
या
take a decision and first of all be clear why you are doing an MBA.
या या सो ambition should be very clear, objective should be very clear. Uh,
Yes,
now I have a question related to this. So, जब interview हुआ, correct? So, what are
yes.
the different questions that were asked to you? If you remember any two, three of them, or just to give an overview to the viewers.
First of all, like I gave 5 interviews, and
Yeah.
in all of that, I talked about my CA journey. See,
Okay.
like I have not cleared CA inter, but that was a part of my life.
Yeah.
So, like interviews also like that part. I
Yeah.
was honest about it.
Yeah.
There were questions related to my field like I want to be an MBA like MBA leader CMO position so I
Yeah.
prepared for that type of questions
Mm-hmm.
and rest was from my general knowledge question acad questions and more of like they wanted to know me about me as a person will I be able to contribute to organization about college so
Yeah.
like overview.
Yeah. 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 So basically, to know your personality, and to
Yes,
understand you as a person better, how fruitful or
yes,
how much value addition that can happen once you join the campus or the program or the organizations as well, right?
yes.
And any more specific
That's
questions that you do remember? Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yes,
Muskan.
that's exactly the kind of questions I was asked at my 4 interview.
Yeah,
Like the skill set I have, and what are the things I learned during my school days, and how I will actually implement them in my college days, like in the PG program.
yeah.
And what are the learnings, what are the failures, how I grew. So I actually liked that part. Like
Mm-hmm.
out of the 5 interviews I gave, four was that interview. I actually thought no, they wanted to know me and
Mm-hmm.
they will help me grow as a person too like
Mm-hmm.
personal and professional life so you need to like make decision accordingly which B school you are joining.
All right, makes sense. Muskan, I want to understand. Did they ask you this question? Very, very, very fashionable question, very common question. Why MBA? It happens, in every interview you go, they will ask you, why MBA?
That's the favorite question
Yeah,
and for this also I gave a reason like my father is a business so you
yeah,
know business mindset and your bania so
yeah,
आपकी business आपके खून में होता है
yeah, yeah,
and I know some business things so
yeah,
थोड़ा बहुत उसका example दिया and like I told like this is I want to do and this is I'm here so
yeah,
this
yeah,
is why I need MBA for career opportunities network opportunity that ready made answer we all know
yeah,
आप
yeah.
अपनी पर्सनल स्टोरी के साथ उसको मिक्स कर दो एंड आई थिंक दैट विल बी द बेस्ट आंसर.
Yeah, yeah. So, basically dot को connect करना with your experience, with your backgrounds, what you are bringing to
Yes.
the table, and what you want to do, where you want to see
Yes.
yourself in 5 years' time, and how this MBA is going to help there, right? So, if you connect the dots, I think that is more sorted. Why MBA?
Exactly.
Yeah. And this question, why did I add this question? Because this question will be definitely asked by anyone or everyone if you go for the
Yes.
interview. Yeah, it's the most important question. All right, so going ahead, I want to understand for the viewers. So how did you prepare for your GDPI, or maybe if VAD happened with you? So how did you prepare for GDPI? Because it's an integral part of it. It doesn't matter even if you score 95 percentile, and if you're not able to clear your GDPI, it doesn't make sense. You have to repeat one more time, right? So how did you prepare for
Yes.
this?
इसके बारे में ना, लाइक आई थिंक इट विल बी अ फनी इंसिडेंट, बट अगर आप रेडिट खोलोगे ना एंड यूट्यूब पे आप एक्सपीरियंस वीडियोस देखोगे, आई थिंक दे
हाँ.
विल बी द बेस्ट सोर्स.
Okay.
Reddit पे I have literally checked all the interview experiences, their
Mm.
transcripts, and I've like just figured out, okay, these are some coping questions, and
Mm-hmm.
I can definitely refer these.
Okay.
And then again, like I've prepared about myself, then about my acads, like whatever I've done till now, graduation part. Then like I told about my marketing field
Yeah.
and a basic knowledge of other fields too. Then
Mm-hmm.
you need to stay updated about general knowledge, like वी ऑल नो, लाइक जीडीपीआई के टाइम पे जो ट्रम्प थे उनकी पॉलिसीज बस आए जा रही थी, आए जा रही थी.
Yeah.
सो
Yeah.
that was the biggest part. I need to stay updated.
Yeah.
And apart from this, definitely you can ask mentors, your friends, like if they have given interviews. तो
Yeah.
वो सब कुछ इकट्ठा करके ना, like एक set of questions बनाया, and then I use chat GPT. See,
Yeah.
like
Great.
I gave it a prompt. Okay,
Mm.
you are an interviewer and this is my background. Now you
Mm.
need to ask me some questions, and I
Mm.
was actually preparing through that.
Mm. Yeah. So basically, this is like a mock interview, right? So
Yes,
you can go
I
to
gave all.
ChatGPT, and I'm so happy that somebody who is going for the MBA course this year and who has used ChatGPT this pretty well, right? Because when I just onboarded the program of MBA, I had no idea. I had not used ChatGPT that much. I just knew that there is something called ChatGPT. I was not exposed, right? But when I went to the campus, I mean, people were using it crazily. And then in 1 year time, I also got a very good hang of it. And now though, obviously I can use it anywhere or everywhere.
It's a
And it
part and
helps.
parcel of
Yeah, it
life.
really helps. It really helps. It
Yes.
it gives you right set of questions, right set of expectations actually
Same.
there. Hmm.
Same for that. You need to just give them it topics. You can
Yeah,
just ask them or give it a prompt, like what are the trending things, or like these were the past questions. So it can frame a similar framework for you.
yeah. And why I'm saying this because see, a lot of folks I see they go to some random YouTube channel, go there, paste comment that I come from this background, this. What,
Yes.
yeah, what are my chances to convert? What are the questions that I can expect? I think the best you can do is go to Chat GPT, write the same prompt there, write the same comment there. Chat GPT will help you, right? Work smart.
There are resources, but people don't know how to use them effectively and efficiently.
Yeah.
Like opportunity आपके सामने, आप grab करो ना.
या और मुझे लगता है कि इमोशनल सपोर्ट के लिए वो चैनल पे चले जाते हैं एंड देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु इज जस्ट मिल्किंग दिस इमोशनल यू नो weakness of the students and they do it really well and they get views they get lot of money that way.
Exactly.
That happens all around. Any which ways, so going ahead I want to understand one more thing. Lot of folks struggle actually कि मेरे पास कोई सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं है, मैंने कोई एनजीओ में काम नहीं किया है, हाउ वुड माई प्रोफाइल और माई सीवी स्टैंड आउट. सो कुछ तुमने इसके लिए किया था, लाइक तुमने कोई सर्टिफिकेशन करी थी बिफोर दिस या सम इंटर्नशिप दैट हेल्प यू और टू एक्चुअली टॉक अबाउट योर पर्सनैलिटी यू हैव टू डू समथिंग, राइट? सो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज दिस?
Well, I got to know about this in FAP 2024 itself, that you need a solid profile.
या.
Okay, I had cats, like I had a strong profile 997, but
Mm-hmm.
apart from this, I thought about, like I have time. I
Mm-hmm.
can do preparation also and manage this. So yes, I've done some certification like marketing fields related. हमारे Google fundamentals of digital marketing, then HubSpot marketing की certification है. Then apart from this, you talked about volunteering. Yes, I've again done that too. I
Great.
volunteered. Like, I volunteered, like it was a remote work. If you cannot manage say offline, you can definitely do that.
Yeah.
It will add value to your profile,
Yeah.
and not even profile. It will add value. Like you will get to learn many things as a person too. You will develop.
Yeah.
Now talking about other things, like see if you are in graduation, like in final year, you need to work on your CGPA.
Mm-hmm.
आपको पता होता है लाइक यहाँ तक इतना हुआ है, तो अब
Mm-hmm.
आगे इम्प्रूव करके आई कैन डू दैट. एंड
Mm-hmm.
gap year ones, like apart from internship, and apart like internship again, like you can try on internshala. I've done 2 internships again, like first मैंने पिछले साल करी, and अब now I've done to
Yeah.
add to my profile. It is helping me.
Yeah.
Like instead of just scrolling your reels on Instagram and thinking about I will do this again,
Yeah.
like at later point when I will convert college, do now.
Yeah, yeah,
It will
of
help.
course, of course.
Yes,
And it doesn't take much time as well. People have this
exactly.
misconception that it will take much time. Why to do this now? Why I'll do this in college? No, no, no. No chance. You have to do it
Procrastination.
now. Yeah, yeah. Because then only you can talk about yourself in length and breadth to the interviewer, right?
Exactly.
Otherwise, you will have nothing to speak. And people have got this 997, people have got this 90 percentile. So what is extra
How will
you're
you
bringing to
make
the
yourself
table?
stand out?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
exactly, like one more thing I would like to add in this about LinkedIn, like how you can grow as a personal brand too. I've talked
yeah,
about my LinkedIn.
yeah.
I've talked about it, like how I grew from this to this. What are the strategies I have used on that platform itself?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
like people
and
don't
to
know.
yeah, and to just for the viewers actually, I want to add this. She's got 7,000 plus connections on LinkedIn, and she has not even started her MBA journey, right? And that's a pretty big thing because I know when I came for MBA, I had 38 connections. That was the number, right? I was not at all active on LinkedIn. I had no knowledge, no, clue about its potential. But when I got in there, I worked with branding committee of Great Lakes, and then I understood its capability and potential, and then I worked on it, and it has really, really, really given me a lot of fruits, good fruits, very, very tasty fruits, right? In last 1 year. So yeah, it's really, really something that you can talk about, which is content creation. These days, a big,
Yes,
big thing. Yeah.
thank you so
Yeah.
for
Oh, wow.
mentioning that.
Because it just came to mind and I saw this right when I was going through your profile.
Exactly.
So
I've
now,
talked.
yeah. So now you have got a college. You were saying something, Muskan?
No, no, you speak.
All right. So now you have got the college. When you're joining the college next month?
16th June.
Oh, 16th June only. So you have
Yes,
got
few days.
one more week, right? One more week,
Exactly.
probably. Yeah. So how excited are you? What are the things that
Actually,
you want to do there?
Actually, I'm excited too, but also nervous. Like, I had my undergraduate college. It was from Delhi University. Like, you have that name, but it
Hmm.
was an open one because I was managing CA. So,
Yeah.
this will be my first college experience too.
Uh-huh.
And also, like, I'm looking forward to making friends, exploring opportunities. Like, Four has a good alumni network.
Yep.
So, the learning I will get know and the course structure, and then obviously I'm excited about my career. Like now this will be last education, so
Yep.
all of that there's a mixed feeling, and leaving home to
Yeah.
that
E-
homesick feeling
even
starting.
leaving home has two aspects. No, one, you're very excited that I'll go, I know I'll be free and I'll just do
Exactly.
things right and will hang out and do this and that. And one is I'll be missing my family members. So there are two aspects of it as well.
Exactly,
All right.
this is a mixed feeling.
Yes. So the last word, anything you want to add to it, this conversation for the viewers, for them who are preparing for this journey, for them who are preparing for getting a college, a decent college, right, to do MBA and to obviously excel in life, what are your words for them?
See, we all start with a mindset that we have to crack an IM, but
Mhm.
life doesn't go that way.
Yeah.
Okay, I've just read on Reddit also. There's so much negativity around low tier one, tier three college. There are no such college. Like
Mhm.
आप tier one, tier two आप अपने आप divide कर रहे हो. But just look at that part. No, you are getting a college. You are
Yeah.
getting that opportunities, and
Yep.
you need to make best of it.
Yeah.
Just because you could not qualify IM, you cannot just degrade. Like in even in IM I've seen, like if you can crack Blackie, FMS, SPGen, you are made just like अचीव कर लिया बहुत कुछ नहीं. अचीव तो भी करना बाकी है. अभी आप
Yeah,
इस
of
स्टेज पे
course.
आए हो, प्लेटफॉर्म
Even
मिला है
even
सिर्फ.
yeah, even mediocrity is there also, right? वहां पे भी
यस.
एक परसेंटेज ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ही है जो बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, राइट? वहां पे भी पीपल आर देयर, दे गेट एवरेज प्लेसमेंट which is quite similar to any tier 2 B school, right?
एग्जैक्टली.
So
लाइक
it
अगर आप वीडियोस, प्लीज स्पीक.
Yeah. No. Go ahead. You are here
अगर
as a
आप
guest. Go
वीडियोस
ahead.
देखो,
Hmm.
अगर आप वीडियोस देखो लाइक डिफरेंट सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे नो, सबसे पहले लिखा आएगा हाउ टू क्रैक टॉप 20 स्कूल। ओके, ठीक
Hmm.
है, हो जाएगा। पर
Yeah.
अगर कोई नहीं कर पा रहा, हाउ विल दे हैंडल दैट?
Yeah.
Like you need to create some content who can cater to that audience too, who
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
know I have some opportunities। and ठीक है, like if you are planning, आपने मेहनत करी है, आप वहां पे बैठे हो,
Hmm.
बट अगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो,
Hmm.
प्लीज while filling forms do consider tier 2 एटलीस्ट। जो
Yeah.
आपने कैटेगराइजेशन कर रखे, उन कॉलेज को कंसीडर करो,
Yeah. Yeah.
दे विल गिव यू द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज।
Yeah.
अगर आप एम्स वगैरह देखोगे तो वहां पे सारे बेस्ट आपको मिलेंगे, ठीक है। थोड़े बहुत 50% ऑडियंस वहां पे भी ऐसी ही होगी, लाइक लक
Yeah.
डिपेंड कर गया, किस्मत जो होती है हमारी, लाइक देर आर सर्कमस्टांसेस, सो डोंट गिव अप। दिस इज आई वांट,
Yeah.
जस्ट वांट टू टेल, जस्ट कीप डूइंग।
Yeah. I think I think everybody should understand their own strength, their own
यस,
objectives. Yeah, post MBA, what they want to achieve, right? I think that objective should be in the mind, not the college. The intent should be in the mind, not that you are getting this college or that college. I think you are if your intent is good, you will have good outcomes on your hand. And if you
एग्जैक्टली,
have no intent, even if you get a good college, you will be just a mediocre sitting there.
यू
So
विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग देयर।
yeah. So that's the message. So that's all about today's conversation with Muskan. Thank you so much, Muskan, once again for your time on my channel. And to all the viewers, if this video adds value in any which way, some or the other, please do consider to subscribe my channel, share this video to your colleagues, your friends, those who are preparing for this journey. And I am sure that this will definitely help them out. Why? Because when I was preparing for the same, I had no clue. Even I was wandering here and there on the YouTube, and I was not getting a solid concrete video on that. And I think I have touched upon every aspect of a MBA aspiration journey, right? How you start preparation and how you tackle all these hurdles. And I think she has talked in volume, in length, and breadth. So I think it will definitely add value. That's all from my side. That's all from our side. Thank you so much, Muskan. Once again, thank you so much, all of
थैंक यू
you.
आदित्य।
Bye bye. Take care. Keep hustling. Bye bye.